In this video, we will learn about star schema and Snowflake schema in SSAS. When we develop a data model, the data model consists of dimension tables and fact table, right? So these are the dimensions table like a dim promotion, customer and product, and we have one fact table that is called fact internet sale in this example. We have one-to-many relationship because all the dimensions table contain the primary keys. For example, in the customer, we have the primary key here is the customer key, and the fact internet sales, this table has customer key as a foreign key, and in the same way we have a product key in the dim product key as a primary key, and in the fact internet sale the product key is used as a foreign key. And in the same way we will connect the dim promotion with the fact internet sale. Right here we have promotion key and we will find the foreign key here. This is the promotion key, so we will drag to promotion key here. So here you can see we have one-to-many relationship. Here it is one and the star mean many. So always remember one thing, the key should be unique in the dimension table, like in the dim promotion, dim product, dim customer. So if these keys are duplicated, then the model will throw an error while processing. And we can have duplicate rows in the fact tables. So it doesn't matter, we can have one fact table or we can have more than one fact table depending on the granularity, and we will see the situations where we need more than one fact tables. The fact table contains all the foreign keys for the connected dimensions tables as well as the numeric data, like you can see here. This is the unit price, extended amount, discount amount. So these all are the numeric data on which we want to perform calculations. So if I say sales amount, the total sales amount is like 1000, then what does this mean, 1000? So we need to give 1000 some meaning, some description. So this description will come from the dimension tables, right? Like total sales amount by product name or by product color, by customer type, by promotion. So the dimensions are used to give the meaning to the calculations, right? So why we call it star schema? Look, it looks like a star schema, right? We have one fact table and all these surroundings are dimensions tables. These tables are highly denormalized. When the tables are highly denormalized, we can fetch the data very easily, very quickly, right? And in Snowflake schema we have a bit more normalized tables, and when we have more normalization stuff we will need more joins. So now let's try to build the Snowflake schema. So how we will do that? We need to add some more tables. So how we will add tables? You can just click here, AdventureWorks DW 2016, import new tables, and we need here dim product category and subcategory. These are the two tables that we need. Finish, close. So we need to scroll a little bit. So these are the tables that we have imported, right? So the first table is here, you can see this is the product category. Let me zoom it a little bit. So here you can see this is the product subcategory, right? And this one is the product category, and here we have the primary key, and here we have the foreign key, the product category. So we need to connect the dim product with the product subcategory. So for this we need to have one-to-many relationship here. This is the parent table, the product subcategory, and dim product is the child table, right? And we need the product subcategory key. So this product subcategory key should be used as a foreign key in the dim product table. So if we look here, subcategory, this is the subcategory key, right? Yes, this is subcategory key, and I will just drag subcategory key to the product subcategory here. So here you can see this is the Snowflake schema. So these are a bit more normalized as compared to the other tables, right? So this is how we can build star schema and Snowflake schema, are the hybrid schema that contains star schema as well as the Snowflake schema together. So whenever we develop a model, we need, first of all, we need to see how many facts table do we need, because the facts table will based on the granularity of the data, right? So if we have different granularity of data, then we need more fact table. So when the granularity topic will come, then we will see how to deal with different granularities. And then we need to identify the different dimensions, and then we need to identify the relationship, primary key, foreign keys. All the keys within the dimension table should be unique, and it doesn't matter for the fact internet sale, because in fact in the fact table we have the foreign keys as well as the numeric data, right? So the fact table will contain all the foreign keys that will be point to the dimensions table. So the fact table contains all the foreign keys of the dimensions table as well as the numeric data on which we want to perform calculation for our dashboard or the business case or reports. So that's all about Snowflake schema and the star schema.